안녕하세요, 컴퓨터입니다. 오늘도 화이트 감성 컴퓨터가 조립이 완료가 되었습니다. 일단 사양은 라이젠 7500F고요. 그리고 메인보드는 터프 게이밍 B650M 와파이 모델이고요. 그리고 SSD는 일테나 하이닉스, 그리고 그래픽카드는 4060ti, 그리고 팔라딘 400 화이트로 이렇게 해드렸고요. 그리고 이제 파워는 이제 800W, 그리고 이제 팅구로 16기가 두 개로 해가지고 32기가 이렇게 해가지고 컴퓨터가 조립 완료가 되었습니다. 그리고 케이스는 DNX700이고요. 이렇게 가성비로 해가지고 조립이 완료가 되었습니다. 자, 이렇게 안 보이는 곳까지 다 손정리 다 해드리고요. 자, 이렇게 조립이 완료가 되었습니다. 자, 그러면 시스템 감상을 해보겠습니다.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.